Hi guys! Welcome to my channel again. Ito po ang inyong reading for today from the Astro Reading. Marami pong salamat sa inyong pagbabalik. Sorry for the noise. Ano ba ang inyong reading for today? Thank you guys po sa support. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the undying support. So let's see kung ano ba talaga ang hinaharap, pang kasalukuyan, pang nakaraan, at ang nangyayari ngayon. Anyway, so let's go ahead and start the reading na. So you're starting with the moon card. You are starting with the moon card here. It seems like na parang dito sa moon card na to, you want some clarity. Some of you want some clarity. Clarity to a person and clarity to the situation. Naghahanap ka ng klarifikasyon. Ano ba talaga ang nangyayari sa ating relationship? Ano ba talaga ang nangyayari sa sitwasyon natin ngayon? What a very nice start. Okay. Sinusundan to ng Queen of Cups. So it means na parang you are prepared. You are prepared here kung ano man yung malalaman mo. Sa clarity, if this person will come to you, will tell to you something, few days from now, you will receive a clarity and you are prepared. And some of you are not afraid to lose the situation or the person. Okay. The Fool card, hoping. Umaasa. After the clarity, preparation, pero some of you umaasa pa rin na maayos ang isang relasyon, ang isang sitwasyon. This card want to come out. The Ten of Cups. Oh my God. So, ibig sabihin, so clarity, clarifications, handa ka na na tanggapin kung ano man ang mangyayari. Pero sa kabila ng lahat na yun, umaasa ka pa rin na maaayos ang isang sitwasyon. Alam nyo, ito lang masasabi ko, maaayos siya. Some of you mafi-fix yung situation na yung relationship kung nagkakalabuan kayo ng person mo, ng jowa mo, or whatever it is, or hindi in favor sa iyo yung situation, okay? So it means na parang dito sinasabi rito na parang nalalaman ko na ito pala ang nangyayari sa amin. So now what I will do is I will going to fix it, or your person is going to fix it. Okay? You will be together again. There will be some happiness. Together forever. Yung kantang Together forever and never to la. Oh, see the Sun card. You are guided. You are guided by the universe that there is a Sun card. So whatever decisions that you were going to decide for this week with regard to relationship, to situation, so the universe is telling to you, or the situation is telling to you, move forward. Go for it. Huwag mong pagdudahan ng mga desisyon. Huwag mong pagdudahan yung mga bagay-bagay na malalaman mo kasi iyon po ay naka-align sa iyong destiny. At kailangan mo na siyang malaman. You are asking, you are looking for clarity. Malalaman mo siya. Makukuha mo yung sagot. Mabibigyan ka ng sagot. Pero sa kabila ng lahat ng yon, kahit nalaman mo na medyo hindi pabor sa iyo yung situation, okay, yung person mo or yung situation mo, there will be a turn around of the story na, okay, sige, let's try to fix this. Both of you will give chance. Both of you will give chance to each other. And you have the Sun card here. So, ibig sabihin ng Sun card na yan is that there will be it's like there will be a brighter tomorrow. Parang it's a brighter tomorrow. Both of you and your person believe that both of you, there will be something hope, brighter na solution, future between the two of you. Okay. The Nine of Cups. So your person will cooperate. Your person will cooperate. Nasaktan ka man. Nasaktan ka man, tatanggapin mo kung ano man yung magiging sagot ng person mo. Seven of Coins, you're willing to take a risk. Magre-risk ka ulit na magmamahal ka. Na mamahalin niyo ulit ang isa't isa. Na magkakaroon na, or you will take a risk to take the offer na alam mo kailangan ko siyang gawin. So I will be going to take a risk. Whatever it takes. Three of Swords. Masaktan man ako umuli. Oh my God. Bakit ganun? Ka talaga willing. Some of you are willing to take a risk for the relationship. Masaktan ka man ulit dahil sa kanya. I'm willing to take the risk. Oh, see? The Hangman. The Hangman. You are ready. You are ready to take a risk. Masaktan ka man ulit sa kanya. Ayan, no? Because you really suffer to the relationship. Nasaktan ka talaga dun sa relationship na yun. I think you and your person really hurt. Nasaktan talaga kayong pareho. And you have the Empress card. Oh my God, the Empress card. Wow, okay. So, magbabago yung person mo. Your person will going to change. Your person will going to change that, oh my God, I see here, nakikita niya na talagang mahal mo siya, okay, and you're willing to take the risk na pinaglalaban niya or pinaglalaban mo yung pag-ibig, yung relationship nyo, yung situation, and by that, you are very strong enough to make a comeback, start all over again. And see, Five of Cups. Nalaman mo, because nalaman mo yung isang bagay na nakuha mo yung sagot dun sa person mo kung bakit ganun yung nangyayari sa inyo ngayon. Now you take the risk, and then nalalaman mo na lahat, and malungkot ka, pero sa kabila ng lahat na yun, strong ka pa rin na it's okay, that's part of the life, yan yung sinasabing part of the life, pero I'm willing to take over. I'm willing to take over that bad vibes, that bad situation. I will turn it into a very good situation. You are very strong enough to turn over the situation. See the Three of Cups, an offer. An offer, a reunited, panibagong chapter ng buhay niyong pareho ulit. Parang both of you, parang sinasabi nyo sa sarili nyo, or both of you pinag-uusapan nyo na sige, kalimutan na natin yung mga nangyari sa nakaraan, move forward na tayo, let's celebrate our reunion. Queen of Swords. Alam mo, sa pagkakabalikan nyo, maraming maiinis or magagalit sa'yo. When you and your person come back and get together again, I think some of your close friends, some of your family will really not disappointed, but why? Will ask you why you come back to this person again. Why you come back to this person again? What is it? Ano ba yung nakita mo dun sa person na yun? Oh, because you are amazed of the offer. Na-amaze ka na nakikita mo rin, nararamdaman mo rin that your person is going to change. And you are also willing to change for your relationship and to your person. Right? Oh, the Knight of Cups. Your person really will do also his part. Your person will also do his part. Will do the same to fix your relationship. And with that, the Ace of Coins. You have the Ace of Coins. Alright, you have the Ace of Coins. Both of you are willing to take the risk to fall in love again, to be in the relationship, forget about the past. I'm willing to take that offer again. Even though it hurts, kahit masakit, kahit I know what will going to happen, but I will still going to take it. Oh my God, this is a very strong energy. Okay. And in the near future, I think the universe or your destiny will guide both of you, and happiness is going to come. Both of you will be happy. Magiging masaya kayo. I don't see this is temporary. I see this is permanent. Because your person become now an emperor. See? Your person become now an emperor. Oh my God. Now your person is becoming an emperor now. Your person want to show to you, want to prove to you, or the situation want to prove to you that, hey, I am with you. Whatever happened, I'm still be with you. We will be reunited. If this is a friendship or love situation especially, or marriage especially, oh my God, magkakabalikan na. That's nice. Okay, with regards to finances, all right. So there will be something offer about the financial issue. Sa financial, there will be something that something that is going to come about financial. This is about job. There will be a job offer for some of you who are applying for a job. So merong offer sa inyo about sa job. Oh my God. You really make an effort to it. Nag-effort ka na makuha yung job na to. Nag-effort ka because you know that this will bring you stability. You really make an effort. Tower moments. Tower card. It will befall. Oh, some of you, when you have this job, some of you will meet this person. Some of you will meet a new love on the job na papasukan nyo. And some of you will have a relationship again. See? Some of you will have a relationship again. I think ang pinaka ng reading nyo sa araw na ito is that ang pinaka summarize ng reading nyo, isa-summarize ko ang pinaka overall na reading nyo is that some of you, alright, in the past or in the past, present, nalalabuan kayo sa mga things or bagay-bagay na nangyayari sa paligid nyo or dun sa person nyo. Hindi nyo alam bakit ba nagbabago, bakit ba nagbabago, bakit nangyayari, wala kang makuwang sagot. Pero now, you have the strong feeling that I want really to know what is really happening. So I really ask my person or the situation what need action I need to do. 'Di ba? So ang gagawin nyo, most of you will ask your person and you will get clarity, you will get answer, and then with that, magkakaayos, magkakabalikan, especially sa mga mag-aasawa, maiaayos ulit ang mga relasyon, mafi-fix nyo ulit yung mga relasyon nyo. And then all of us, kahit alam nyo in the past yung person nyo may nagawang malaking kasalanan sa inyo, or the group of people na merong nagawang malaking kasalanan sa inyo, you will forgive. Pero because you are a person who wants clarity, you are not afraid to ask. Okay, and you will give and you will receive answer to that. You will receive a reply. Okay? And then some of you with regards to money, there is money that is going to come with that is you really make an effort. Gumawa ka talaga ng effort para mapasayo yung isang bagay na money na yon. And then the universe will give it to you. Same for the job itself. Okay? All of you make an effort. It's a climb. Para alam mo yung kanta niya, it's a climb. So, talagang all of you make an effort to reach that offer and to have that offer, okay? And then everything will fall into places. Everything will fall into places. You will have it. And some of you, with regards to that, makikilala nyo siya sa company, yung mga single dyan, makikilala nyo sa company siguro, sa bagong papasukan nyo, sa bagong chapter ng buhay nyo, makikilala nyo yung person nyo. There will be new love that is going to come to you. Very nice reading to all of you for this day. Alright? Anyway, thank you guys for coming and thank you for the support. Please don't forget to click the bell and click subscribe. Again, let the universe have it, manifest it. You can have it, take it, and have a good day. Bye.